and a relevant one, because we were staying in a villa on the outskirts of Bangalore, and when it was time for our retirement planning, we decided to move into the city center. We zeroed in on a 2 BHK house, and typically a 2 BHK is a small unit, and we were faced with the problem with the second bedroom. We were also accustomed to staying in a villa, and we wanted the option of a TV room, a study room, and also a bedroom. So that's when we were looking at how we can try and get all together, put together. We toyed with the idea of a foldable bed, and then we learnt about the Murphy bed. Then our research started of reading up on Murphy bed, visiting a lot of manufacturers, showrooms, and therein the complete thing started. So essentially for me, it started as a space saving solution, and today we've ended up not just with a space saving solution, but generating additional options out of the bedroom that we have, not just as a space saving solution. That is the beauty of this search, and how I generally like to put it as that has been the evolution even at the time when we are planning our retirement. This is where I would like to clearly give out as to how our search and our concerns were addressed. For me, safety concerns would fall into two buckets. One was, when you have a traditional furniture, you look at it as a lifetime. So we wanted the longevity of the product that is there. That was one concern. May not be exactly in safety, but it does fall into the thing that you want the product to be for your lifetime. The second was about the day-to-day safety while we are using the product. These were the two aspects that we were looking at. We were very happy when InvisibleBed could address these two concerns. First, about this longevity. In terms of longevity,